Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mailchimp email campaigns easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start fixing your Mailchimp email campaigns, log into your Mailchimp account. Go to the Campaigns tab in the main dashboard. Locate the campaign you want to fix and click on it to open the details. Check the campaign status to see if it is still in draft mode, sent, or archived. If the campaign is in draft mode, review the content and design for any errors or omissions. Make sure all links and images are correctly inserted. If you notice broken links, click on them to edit and input the correct URLs. Next, review your audience settings. Ensure you have selected the appropriate audience for your campaign. Now, check the subject line and preview text for any spelling or grammatical errors. An engaging subject line can significantly improve your open rates. After addressing the content, proceed to check the campaign settings. Confirm that the from name and email address are correctly set up. Make sure the reply to address is also accurate. Next, review your scheduling options. If the campaign has already been sent and you want to resend it, select the resend option. You can tweak the subject line or recipient list before resending. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, click Update to save your changes. Finally, if all looks good, decide whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. By following these steps, your Mailchimp email campaign should be ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.